Greetings all. Now we are going to see about the biomedical waste management. So all biomedical waste segregated at the source, handled with care and disposed safely to prevent infection. So bio-waste. The definition of the bio-waste is any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment or immunization of the human beings or the animals, or in the research activities, or in the productions or testing of the biological waste. The rule of the Biomedical Waste Management Act is 2016. Now we are following. The waste which is considered non-infectious, infectious and hazardous waste. The waste will be consist of the two different things like biomedical waste management and the general waste. The biomedical waste will be taken care by the GJ Multiclave, and then general waste will be taken care by the Chennai Corporation. Here you can see the different type of color bins which is used by the hospital. So red, white and blue. Biohazard identification is always helps to identify hazardous material which is present inside. The first thing is the biohazard. We have to handle with carefully, and then second thing will be stands for the cytotoxic hazardous symbol. We have to take care of hand. What goes in the red bag? So red bag, it's a disposable contaminated waste which can be the recycled, will be disposed by the autoclaving treatment followed by a shuttering. Tubings, bottles, intravenous tubes, sets, urine bags, syringes without a needle and hub, and vacutiners with their needle, cut and gloves, and all kind of plastics and rubber wood materials which is used to discard into the red color bin except blood bags. So what goes in the yellow color bag? Human, animal, anatomical waste, body parts, tissue, etc. Cotton dressings, plaster, cast, gauze pieces, antibiotics and other drugs, microbiological waste, culture devices, stocks or the specimen of the microorganisms, and discard the linens. In a blue cover, we have to discard the glasswares, broken and unbroken, and medicines vials, ampule, etc. Along with that, metallic body have to discard. What goes in the sharp container? So the white color sharp container, sharp waste to be discarded. Scalpels, blade, lancet, suture needle, any contaminated sharp object causing a puncture or cuts, hand over when it was 3/4 full. Process flow of the biomedical waste. Here in the ward and the patient care area, the waste which is generated waste to be segregated according to the color coding, temporary storage, collection point, transport into the treatment plant. Waste removal and transportation. The staff handling the waste must be use adequate and required PPE, establish a barcode system for the bags or containers contaminated the biomedical waste. The bags must be removed when 3/4 full or not earlier. The waste bags are tied up and transferred to the temporary storage area on the same floor, carefully with the appropriate label without any spillage. Waste storage and then transportation. The biomedical waste shall be entered in the biomedical waste register category wise, area wise, by the security supervisor or a housekeeping supervisor at the central biomedical waste storage area. So untreated human anatomical waste, animal anatomical waste, soil waste and the biotechnology waste shall not be stored beyond a period of the 48 hours. Every hospital shall maintain the records related to generation, collection, storage, transportation, treatment, disposal or any from the handling of the biomedical waste for a period of 5 years in accordance with the Biomedical Waste Management Rule 2016 and guidelines is issued by the central government of the Pollution Control Board.